Okay, so welcome back to this next series, next in the series for Introduction to Programming. So what we're going to look at this in this lesson is the for loop series. So we're going to look at how for loops are worked, how you make them, and what they're used for. So it's what we call a condition. It's a count controlled, not a condition, count controlled loop or iteration. So computers are very good at repeating things, and this is one we can use to let us just repeat things for a set number of steps. We call this a count controlled one because it's controlled by a number. So whatever the number is, that is how long the program will run for. Okay, so we're going to start off by writing some code here. I've made a bit of a start here, so you would have something like this when you entered this lesson. So it looks something like that. But we're going to take this out and we're going to read this. We're going to need this value here, and we want a b value as well, because it says here, given two integers a and b, print all the numbers from a to b inclusively. So it means print also the number that you enter for b as well. So we're going to enter b. Again, it's going to be equals int, and then we have brackets, input, like so. And then we're going to have a for loop. So we're going to go down here and write in the for loop. So the for I in range. So it means to do something for a range of numbers, and what we want to do is we want to do it from the range of a, comma, b plus 1, because if you don't do plus 1, the computer won't print the b number. It'll stop before you get to 10, because 1 to 10, or for example in this example it says 1 to 10. So we also want to print the number 10. Okay. Alright, so actually for a computer from 1 to 10 is just 9 steps, of course, because 9 plus 1 is 10. So it'll stop before you get to 10. Okay, so what we want to do that, make sure you have your two dots there, and you press enter, and you do print, and we want to print this value, I, which is just what we call, another way of calling index. So every time the loop runs, it'll start with the next number, so it'll go I, it'll start at 1, the next time it runs it'll go with 2, and it updates automatically, because we use this count function. Okay, so I'm just going to print I. I'm going to run and test that then. Okay, I'm going to put in the first number, 1, 10, and enter. There we go. So it's printed from 1 to 10. And that should work. So let's try it and check our answer here. And we got all of it correct. So that's that one. Let's see you in the next one.